Hi, good day. So I'm going to answer the activity 8. So since I don't have laptop, so I'm going to use my mobile phone. So letter A. Below are the diagnostic test scores of the 30 students in EDUC 13, EDUC 25 assessments in Learning 2. So use the arranged data from the previous discussions. So already input the data mo ni siyang mga scores sa students, sa 30 kabok students. So we're going to arrange it using the stem and leaf plot. So we put a stem here and then the leaf and then the total. So ito ibutan diri ang stem sa number. For example, natay number like 9. So atong ang stem ana niya is 0 and then the leaf muna siyang 9. So for example pod 13. So the stem there is 1 and the leaf is 3. So muna siyang stem and leaf plot. So atong ibutan diri 1 and 0. So, 1 og 0 rato yung butang kay it's because andita niya kay wa man siya ning lapas og 20, 30, whatsoever. So, 19 naman siya. So, ang stem niya is 1 ra og 0. So, atong unahon si 7. Diri siya sa 7. And then the 8. Then 19. Ay muna ni siya ang stem and leaf plot nga unarranged. Wala pa siya na-arrange. 15, 8, 18, 14, 12, 15, 13, 16, 19, and 8, 14, 15, 17, 13, tapos 8, then 4, then 13, 14, 6, and 10, 0, tapos then put isa, and then 16, and then 11, and then 16, 14, 19, tapos 19. So to get the total, ato lang ni siyang ipon, pila kabok ang leaf. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 kabuok ang nadri sa 1. And then diri na punta sa 0. If should count the kaan leaf. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total of 30. So nakuha ra ang total sa number of students. So 30 man kabuok ang students. So muna siya ang this is the stem and leaf plot. Kuan pa siya unarranged. So we'll do kuan stem and leaf plot katong arrange. So we're going to arrange the leaf no from highest to lowest. So 9, dako mang 9, 5, 9, 4, 9, and then 8, and then 7, to look at 6, and then 3 to 5, to 4, and to look at 3, isa ka 2, isa ka 1, and 2 zeros. Okay, so 0 na punta. We got 8. Got 8. 7. 6. And then the 4. So, ang total niya is parehas lagi apon. 23. 7. And then 30 equals to 30. So this is the way to arrange your data. I did use the stem and leaf plot, the unarranged and then the arranged them, stem and leaf plot. So we're going to arrange our data using the arrays. So we're going to arrange it from lowest to highest. So the lowest is 4 and 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, 15, and then 16, then 17, 18, then 19. So that is the array method. So this is the easiest way to arrange your data by using the array method. So another way to arrange your data is using tally. So mura siya stem and leaf. Ini siya ang stem, mura siya ang leaf, pero itali version. So magsugod ta sa 7. So diri 7. Diba yung stem kay 0, so di ako ta mapatunong. 1. Next is 8. Next is 19. 15. 8 again. And 18. And then 14. And 12. And then 15. And then 13. And then 16. And then 19. 19. Next is 8. 14. 15. 17. 13. And then 8. 13. 14. 6. 10. 10. Oh, 10. And then 16. 16. And then 11. 16 again. 14. And 14. And then 19. So this is the tally method. No, sayo na po siya. Pareha sa uban. So this is the other way you're going to arrange your data. Since we're done already for the activity letter A, so let's go to the next problem. So we're going to construct a frequency distribution table for the given data and determine the following needed information. So number 1, we're going to find the range, number of class interval, and class width. So let's go to Excel. So here I already paste the data from lowest to highest. Naka-order na siya. And so we're going to find the maximum value of data, the mean, the range, the number of data, the number of class, and the class width. So first we're going to identify the maximum value of and minimum value of data. So i-highlight lang nato ni siya. So makita na nato siya diri. So the maximum is 19 and the minimum is 4. So we're going to write it 4. So to find the range, we simply subtract the maximum value of data, subtract na to sa minimum value of data. So here it goes. C3 minus C4. So our range is 15. So to get the number of data, ato na siyang count, close, open parenthesis, A2, colon, A31. Then close para makount ato pila ka buok data. And the result is 30 ka buok. 30 naman to ka students, diba? So to get the number of the class, we're going to use this formula. Equals round down, square root, sqrt, open parenthesis, C6, the number of data, then close parenthesis, then delete, comma, and then 0, and then close parenthesis. Boom. So the number of class is 5. So to get the class width, we're going to use this formula. Round down, tapos open parenthesis, C5 divided by C7. So we're going to divide the range to number of class, and then comma, and then 0, and then close parenthesis, and then plus 1. Here, our class width is 4. So dana ta sa nakuha na nato ang maximum value of data, minimum value of data, the range, the number of data, the number of class, and the class width. So next natong buhaton is ngitaw na to ang class interval. So to get the class interval, we automatically put down the lowest value of our data, which is the 4. And then the rest will simply add the class width. So 4. Then 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. So diri lang tataman basing lapas. And for the sa PCAS, we subtract na to 1 ang atong class width, then haya pa nato i-add. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, and then 8 plus 3 equals 11, and 12 plus 3 equals 15, and then 16 plus 3 equals 19. So nakuha ra ang highest value sa ato ang data, or maximum value of data, which is the 19. So nakuha na ang atong class interval. So manata sa number 1. So the next one is to construct the complete frequency distribution table. So we're going to find the class interval, the class mark, frequency, class boundary, relative frequency, cumulative frequency, less than and greater than. So we're going to get the frequency of our data. frequency. So, mag-base ta na sa class interval. So, ato na i-count sa atong data 4 to 7, then mo din ang result sa frequency. So, mag-ihap ta from 4 to 7. So, 1, 1, 2, 3. So, ang frequency is 3. So, mag-ihap na po ta from 8 to 11. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7. So, 12 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11. So, 16 to 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9. Tapos na siyang i-add tanan. 3 plus 7 equals 10, then plus 11 equals 21, plus 9 equals 30. So, nakuha na ang total number of data. So, nakuha ra tong frequency. So, next is we're going to get the class mark. So, to get the class mark, we simply add our intervals, ni sila, then divide it by 2. So, we're gonna use a formula. $sign para ma-down siya 4, and then colon $7, and then plus F $sign 4 colon F $sign 7. And then divide it by 2. So, muna atong class mark. $5.5, $9.5, $13.5, then $17.5. Muna siya ang midpoint sa tong class interval. Muna siya ang class mark. So, next is pinitaan na to ang relative frequency. So, to get the relative frequency, all we need to do is to divide the first result of our frequency, which is 3, and divide it to the total number of frequency, 30. Divide siya ani. Then, close parentheses, then times to 10. So, we're going to use this formula. Open parentheses, G3, G4, G4, then divide it by G9, G8, then close parentheses, and then times 100 equals to 10. Same process. 7 times 100, and then 9 divided by 30 times 100. 30. So ato ni siyang i-whole number. So 23, ito siya i-whole number. So total niya is 100. So nanatay relative frequency. Next is to get the class boundaries. So according sa rule, lower limits kay minusan og 0.5, then the upper limit ni siya kay adan og 0.5. So 4 minus 0.5 is 3.5. Then 8, 7.5, and then 12 is 11.5, and then the 16 is 15.5. And dire adan og 0.5 ang upper limit. So muna siya ang atong class boundary. So kani gi minusan og 0.5, din kani giadan og 0.5. So ang next natong pangitaan is the cumulative frequency. So first we need to automatically put the first number of the frequency ni siya. Then the first number will be added to the second number of frequency. So ma-add ni siya diri ah. So patang na to ang 3 plus 7 equals 10. So 10 plus 11 equals 21. And then 21 plus 9 equals 30. So paghuman kay diri sa pikas, just get the total number of the first class, which is the 30, then subtract it to the first number of the frequency. So mo siya na 30, then subtract nito siya sa first number of frequency, which is 3, then 27. So 27 minus 7 equals 20. 20. Then 20 minus 11 equals 9. Ano siya? So na natong cumulative frequency. Okay. So done na ta sa atong problem number 2. diba na natay class interval, natay frequency, natay class mark, relative frequency, class boundary, and the cumulative frequency. So done na ta sa number 2. Ano ba ang total? Okay. So let's do the last one. So draw the graph. So use one graphical presentation. So ato ra ni siyang i-highlight, no. Kani siya padulong sa cumulative frequency para makakuha ta graph. So let's go to insert, then sa chart, then kanira tong pilihan ng column kay simple lang, and then boom, na siya. This is